Okay, let's finish with that.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This person somehow managed to create a fire vortex inside of a bubble.
What the fuck? Damn.
Hunter, are you hungry?
Neko.
You need, don't let yourself be convinced to do something that you know is bad, and then Ian finally just shared with us.
Damn.
A few weeks ago, there was a massive earthquake in Alaska. Nobody in the school was injured, but there was still an incredible amount of damage. This company made a machine that lets you customize the foam in your drink. You can use pretty much any picture in the world and place it right on top of your coffee or beer.
That's really cool.
In case you didn't know, this is how astronauts sleep in space.
Might think it's uncomfortable not having a mattress and a pillow, but without gravity, of course, you don't need anything to hold you up. You can just completely relax.
These people made a robot that knows how to ice skate and swim underwater.
Oh, that's really cool. He knows how to ice skate. That's actually really, really fucking cool.
Hula hoop dancers sometimes edit their videos to look incredibly trippy.
This is indeed really trippy. I like it. Damn.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
All right.